Indigenous Peoples Organization IPOM na shinduna National Democracy Day Manipur gi Thouram Ngasi Palace Compound leiba City Convention Center da Pangthokkhre for a common political future haiba hiram da pangthokhiba Thouram maduda retired Professor Naurim Joy Kumar IPOM gi President Advocate Waideb Datta Taragi Jaisu gi Chairman Senior Advocate Khaidem Mani amadi Center for Maitai Pangal Cultural Studies ki Secretary Dr. Rahi Judin Sayek Namaru Oiba Mithulen Singoina Saruk Yake Thouram aduga mari leinana retired Professor Naurim Joy Kumar hai Manipur gi puwari amasung idea of Manipur neinaduna ngasi pangthokliba Thouram ase lamdam asigi ngalligai matamda leiramba intellect sing adugi khudol ne numit ase pangthokliba ase chauthok chaningai ne kumjali singamaga chanipat manipur mathoida British na lengak lingaida Manipur gi chingtam ani ase tokhai na tahanduna tongan na thamlamba adu October 19 da semkhiba constitution aduda tokhaibagi wafam masi toktuna amata oina konsin khibane adubu khwaidagi laibak thibade haujik Manipur gi territory kaidrabaso integrity di kaikhrabane haujik India lengak na maitei MLA naga MLA amade Kuki MLA haina khaidoktuna changsilakli balalong ase khwaidagi laibak thibane masida Manipur da lairiba miyamna yafam thokte haina mahakna phongdokhe Ngasigi Thouram maduda retired IAS RK Nimai Manipur University ki Department of Economics ki Professor CH Priyoranjan Maitai Tribe Union ki Secretary Administration Mutum Churamani amade Manipur University ki Department of Law ki Head Dr. Yumnam Premanandana Resource Person Singoina Wangangke
Manipur had called said it is the gift of the history. It's all the people adu gift kudu love. Akwai hojik leba power banu so legislation service tetialai. But in the case of Manipur, it is the gift of the history. Masi gift of the history is a higher point on the day. We have to go to the cosmological period. We have to go to the mythological period. We have to go to the proto-history and pre-history. As a Manipur history is just hagalapunda. Akwai new kaya yawi jati kaya yawi. Akwai bodo haibudam. Marandi akwai ki ladiba 33 area homuda pe Manipuri history. History is that makal homre pre-history hai proto-history hai aman history hai History means recorded history hai magi iba pa koi recorded history. Adi proto-history hai pre-history hai. And high since the Yehuda, akwai single identity of emerged.